Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Hope you all are fine. Today we're gonna do an amazing and interesting science experiment on
pH testing of fruit juices.
Is your fruit acidic or alkaline?
Let's do a colorful experiment called pH testing of fruit juices.
Here I have juices from apple, dragon, and lemon. I will dip litmus paper on each sample and we will observe what color it changes to.
What do you think? Is lemon juice acidic? Let's find out.
You can see a paper in my hand and this is called litmus paper. Litmus paper comes in two colors. If it's red, then it's acidic.
It will turn into blue if it's alkaline.
Otherwise, it will stay in its natural form, which is neutral. Now, we will dip this litmus paper on the first sample, which is apple juice. Wow, it turns into red.
Oh, it's acidic.
And now, the second sample, which is lemon juice. It also turns into red.
Oh, it's acidic also.
But if we dip in the other sample, it will turn into maybe alkaline or acidic. Do anyone want to try? Okay, I can feel that you all are shy, but at home we can try, right?
The pH scale goes from 0 to 14, 0 to 6.9 acidic,
7 is neutral,
7.1 to 14 is alkaline.
Acidic fruits are very good for our digestion, but too much can hurt our teeth. Now we know science can be tasty too.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullah.